How to download offline maps on your iPhone? Here's how to do it in iOS 26. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or internet connection. Next, open the Apple Maps app. Tap your profile picture or account icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Offline Maps. Tap Download New Map. Search for the city, region, or location that you want to download. Once you find the location, tap on it. You'll now see a preview of the map area that will be saved. Drag or resize the map area if you want to include more or less of the region. When you're ready, tap Download. Apple Maps will begin downloading the selected area to your iPhone. The download time will depend on the size of the map and the speed of your internet connection. Once the download is complete, you can use that map for navigation, searching, and viewing locations even when you don't have a mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. You can also manage your offline maps later, where you can rename, update, or delete downloaded maps whenever you want. And tap Save. That's it. You've successfully downloaded an offline map on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.